Hey everybody, it's Nabeel Mulla with you here again today. And today I'm super excited to show you my new sneakers that just came to me. These are the first pair delivered. These are called Command, and these are a collaboration with the fine folks from Alive Shoes. So, these guys came from Italy. I'm in the United States. I can't wait to open them up, and let's see what's inside. So coming from Italy, that's a long way, and this box is in impeccable condition. So I know the shoes inside will be in just as good condition. So here they are. Not only is the box super cool, but it comes gift wrapped with the Command logo sticker right there on the outside of the paper. This is a custom box. It's almost a shame to take the paper off because it looks good just as it is. So exciting. Oh yeah. Here it is. Check out that box. There you go. You got the Command logo right there in the front. There it is on the back. It's got my name on it, the limited edition number. There you got a picture of the shoe with the size. This box feels great. This is a super high quality box. And unlike the typical shoe box that you just lift up the lid, this one has a magnetic closure in the front. Just pop that open, and there you go. More paper inside. And the smell of leather. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. And each shoe comes individually wrapped in plastic. Here they are. Set the box aside for right now. All right. Oh, guys. If you could feel this leather right now, it is so soft. How do you like those gold soles? Got some nice bling to the basic dark blue. So, let me get into some details here for you. So as you can see up here, you've got the Command logo. These are classic retro style high tops. Full leather everywhere except for the sole. We've got yellow stitching with the gold bottom. And here you can see the soles. Now I have to point out that these are not for playing basketball in. The soles on these are really slick. We're talking like brand new dress shoe slick. So it's going to take some scuffing to get these worked in, and so you're not slipping and sliding out on the street on the sidewalks. But they look so good. This gold is like the color of C3PO. Fantastic. All right, and then on the inside, let me show you here. Got this design inside the tongue, if you can see that. And these are indeed made in Italy, shipped straight from Italy to me. When you order these, the shipping is included, which is awesome. That's part of the reason why it's such a high price. The other reason for the price is that, well, first of all, they're limited edition, and second of all, these are all handmade. And if I'm going to have shoes handmade, I can't think of a better place than Italy to have them handmade. So, here they are. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. Do you like the look of them? When I designed these, I had Star Trek Discovery in mind. All the commanders on that show wear this color boot with the gold soles. Other people have either bronze or silver soles. But I thought this was super cool. I'm going to try these on. First of all, you see the way they come laced, which a lot of the shoe companies like to lace up their sneakers in fashionable ways, which are not always the most practical. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep mine laced like this or not. It looks cool, but it's a little weird for getting them tight and things like that. So let me slip one of these on and see if the fit is true. Normally I wear size 11.5 to 12. Usually 11.5 is my best fit, so that's what I got here. Please excuse me while I try these on. All right, off comes the grungy old Adidas Silvers and into something a little sleeker. So here they are on my feet. What do you think? Do you like the look of them? Is that something that you would ever wear? Let me know in the comments down below. I think they look pretty sweet. I'm super happy with the way they came out. Now, like I said, these are 11.5, which is my normal size, and they fit great. There's plenty of toe room, and if I'd have to say the width is normal to maybe a little bit narrow. All right. And these are pure leather. These are already comfortable to wear, and they're just gonna get more comfortable as they break in. So there they are. How do you like them? Let me know. I can take it. If you don't like them, believe me, I designed another pair a couple of years ago in collaboration with Alive Shoes, and I put the video on here and I got crazy remarks. Now, keep in mind, these are crazy shoes that I designed the last time. They were meant for a specific purpose, which was Disney. I went with Disney colors for them so that whenever I'm in my Disney scheme, actually you can see my picture, my profile picture, I'm wearing those shoes. They're bright yellow with blue soles and red accents, and they were out there. I will be the first to admit they were out there, but they serve my purpose well, and they're still comfortable and they still look great. These, much more laid back and casual. I call them retro futuristic. So yeah, I'm not going to be playing any ball in these. These are definitely just chill shoes. I hope you like them. I hope you like this video. And if you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. That would be awesome. I would super appreciate that. And if you like the shoes, maybe you want to give the video a thumbs up. That's always nice too. I appreciate those likes whenever I get them. And if you didn't like it, you can hit the thumbs down if you want to. If you want to break my heart, that's fine. That's cool. Okay, so anyway, it's on to the next video for me. So I'll see you there.